Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Actually, today in this video, I will show you how to determine the maximum maximum design combination from different design combination. You know that in designing a member, uh, we have to define we have to define different load combinations. Okay, then after analysis we have to check that which combination is giving the maximum effect for bending moment or for axial load or for torsion. Okay, or for so if we would like to do it manually, it will be very tedious. You know that for every member we have to check we have to write all the values of all the combinations, which is very time consuming. And if we talk about all the members, then it is very hard. Okay, but in etf, uh, using a special command, we can do it very easily. Okay, so you have to define load combinations. Okay, to define load combination, go to define tab, then go to load combination. Okay, then actually I am deleting it for your convenience, and I'll show you from the uh, starting. Okay, so let us explain you about these stuffs more in detail. Suppose that we have analyzed, let us analyze the building. Okay, let us go to base reactions. Suppose combo, you can see it. This is the uh, just let us consider this one for explanation. Okay, you see that dead load plus live load combination gives 356. Then dead load plus live load plus wind, okay, this gives 381. Thus various load combination gives various results, but we have to count the maximum one. Okay, we have to count the maximum one. But how we can do it? Okay, we can do it in etfs very easily. Okay, so to do it, go to define, then go to load combinations, then go to add, then click on add new combo. Okay, give a name it maximum load combination. Okay, maximum load combination value, and you have to combination type is envelope. You have to select it envelope. Okay, envelope. Then just select d plus l, give 1, okay, factor 1, then d plus l wind, then d plus uh, okay, I'm selecting qx, just add this one, you have to delete, just add all the load combination, okay, here the load combinations you have selected, you have defined, okay, just add all the load combination and assign scale factor 1 plus 1, okay, assign scale factor plus 1. You see that I have taken, okay, all the combinations, okay, you see I have defined, I defined 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 different load combinations, okay, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, you see I have taken all the load combination and assigned scale factor 1, okay. Now this combination, this combination will give you the maximum load effect automatically, okay, just make it and come now here and select combination, okay, combination, now select maximum load combination value, okay, you see automatically the maximum value from the different load combination is being shown by ETABS, okay, in every member, okay, just like magic. Hmm. So let us check, apply. Suppose that we would like to check the bending moment effect in this member, okay, from for different load combinations, you see maximum and minimum, maximum minima, uh, you have to select maximum minima, then select d plus l, you see the different results show maximum max value d plus, for d plus l the moment is minus 24, it is minus 23, minus 25, maximum minus 25 and minus 25, minus 25, minus 23, minus 25, minus 23, minus 26, minus 27, 28, minus 22, minus 21, you see automatically minus 28 and minus 21, okay, is being shown by envelope load combination, okay, that is the, okay, that is the command you can use to determine the maximum which among which load combination among all the load combinations is giving you the maximum result, okay. You can do it very easily by using a special command of etab. Thank you for watching, I hope that you have understood. um, if you like my videos, please uh, like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.